Look around us. Something invisible is moving through this room every second.
But what is it, and how does it connect everything?
So this tiny router is sending invisible signals everywhere.
And every connected device is quietly listening.
The signal has arrived.
But before your phone can understand it, its Wi-Fi chip must decode the signal.
So the radio wave isn't the message itself.
It's carrying encoded information. The phone decodes it and turns it into something you can actually read. When you reply, your phone creates a new radio signal and sends it back to the router.
So the journey doesn't end at your Wi-Fi router. It immediately forwards your data into your internet provider's network. And this is where the real journey begins. Our message has reached the internet service provider.
Think of it as a giant traffic control center. It decides the best path before sending your data across the internet.
Our message is now traveling through the internet's high-speed backbone.
Across cities, through fiber-optic networks at nearly the speed of light.
Our request has finally reached the destination.
The servers search for the exact information you asked for, and now the answer begins its journey back to your phone.
And just like that,
The answer travels all the way back in only a few milliseconds. That's the incredible journey happening every time you use